Hey everyone, Chet Mann here again with Team Chet Mortgage, CMG Financial, and we'll talk to you about buying a home in a shifting market. We definitely have a shifting market in America today, and certainly here locally in central North Carolina. A lot of things have changed. Just since last week when the Federal Reserve raised the Fed funds rate by 75 basis points and the world, everyone thought would go crazy, actually had the opposite reaction on mortgage rates. We have now seen a decrease in mortgage rates. In fact, get this, just a few weeks ago, the 10-year U.S. Treasury, which mortgage bonds tends to follow, was at 3.5, almost 3.6%. Today, 1 week later from the Fed rate increase, we're at 2.63 on the 10-year Treasury note. That's a huge improvement, and it's being shown now and rewarded with buyers. The housing market's moving away finally from the frenzy of the past year, and it's really kind of opening doors for people who maybe got off the merry-go-round, who stopped looking for homes. And there's a couple things to consider. Number one, as buyer demand moderates, you may see the intensity of bidding wars ease, and I think you will. Get this. In April of 22, the average multiple offer scenario was 5.5 offers per home. In just May of 22, that had dropped to 4.2 offers. And as of June 22, just 30 days or more ago, we're down to 3.4 offers. So certainly a lot less or a little less competition in gaining that home today. Secondly, fewer buyers are bidding over the asking price, but it's still a competitive market, which is good for sellers as well as buyers. Not as many homes selling above the asking price. The same months, April, May, and June of 2022, saw 61% sold in April over the asking price. That dropped in May to 55%, and in June, 51% sold over the asking price. So almost half the homes on the market are now not selling above the asking price. And third, the housing inventory is increasing. Finally, surely but slowly, we are seeing an increase in housing inventory. That means more options for you in your home search. Those same months, the supply of homes for sale has grown. As in April, it was 2.2 in month supply. In May, it had gone to 2.6. And just as at the end of June, we were at 3 months. Now, the 6 months is a perfectly balanced market, but 3 months is a whole lot better than where we were in just April. So you may find it easier to find your home. So when you look at that, decreasing rates, although I don't know how much more they're going to decrease, but we have certainly seen some decreasing rates. And my feeling is we're going to see some more moderation as the fall and winter come in. Remember, during recessions, housing does really, really well. And if we have a full-blown recession, I kind of think we're already in one, but if it's declared, you may see the market really change and dramatically drop. But I wouldn't wait, because we have an opportunity to buy right now with decreasing rates and increasing inventory. So if you're ready to buy a home, now may be the perfect time to do so. I would just advise that you get a great professional realtor with local market expertise and work with a lender who can partner with that realtor and get your offer accepted and close you in 30 days. One thing's for sure, you buy a home today in central North Carolina, you're going to see great home value appreciation over the next 5 years, despite whatever the economy does. We have too much buyer demand and too little supply, and that's not going to change anytime soon in North Carolina and in actually the whole Southeast, if not the entire United States. So if you want a house and you're pre-approved, that investment you make today will certainly reward you handsomely over the next 5 to 7 years. Call us if you want to talk about these things. If you'd like to get pre-approved and get back in the market, now could be the perfect time. We're here to help. Thank you so much until we see you again.